Hey everyone, so today is going to be the first of, I hope, many videos. They're going to be very short, one take. The recipe is done in a matter of minutes. This is not a baking video or even a cooking video per se. Today we are making garlic mayo. Have a few friends over, having some burgers, and well, wanted to try something different and make my own mayonnaise. So that's what today's video is. It's short, it's sweet, to the point. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is going to be my first one take video. So first, into your container, oil. We're going to go for about a cup. Now it's best to use a neutral flavored oil, canola, corn, vegetable oil. If you are going to use olive oil, I would suggest use about half a cup of olive oil and the rest of a neutral flavored oil like the ones I just mentioned. To this, 1 egg. Now also, depending on the recipe you find, some will just ask for a yolk. I'm using full egg. Okay. Now, to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If you have fresh lemons, use those. Next, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now, of course, you can play around with this recipe yourself. This is just a general guide. Little dollop of mustard, not too much, it just helps with the emulsification. And then a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper as well. Okay. Take a stick blender, make sure you hold the bottom, be prepared for some noise, and go. There you go, homemade mayo, which I can guarantee is going to taste a heck of a lot better than the stuff you buy in the stores. There you go, that's it. Thanks for watching. This was a one-shot, one-take video. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I will have my version of this recipe online, but it's pretty much basically exactly what I told you in the video. And there you go. Put it in the fridge for a couple hours, let all the flavors meld together, and you have mayo. So, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.